Hey guys, quick video, tonight's dinner. A couple of things from the garden. I'm going to be using a green tomato. I'm going to be using, and I mean fresh, I just picked them 10 minutes ago, green beans and snap peas. I wish I had more of the snap peas, but earlier this year the voles annihilated them. Quarter stick of butter, olive oil, and it's going in the Dutch oven, which is going to go on top of the firebox on the dynaglo. So this is barbecue mesquite pork loin, and I'm going to cut this up into quasi medallions. I did not season the pork. I actually bought it like this. We have a little store in town that has pretty good deals on different meats and so forth, and this was a pound already seasoned, ready to go, and it was $3.99. So it's been frozen for probably a month, and I just defrosted it. So we're going to cut this up, put it in the Dutch oven. So we've got that cut up. I'm going to throw in the quarter stick of butter, and then I'm going to cut up the green beans. I don't want them tiny, and I'm going to put a lot of green beans in here because I like these. Then I'm going to take my green tomato, also from the garden. Got a zillion tomatoes this year, it's incredible. And I'm going to cut this up into pieces. And then I learned something this year. I had 2 onions in my basement storage that grew a lead, and the onion itself got nasty. So I thought, you know what, it's nice and green. I'm going to put it in some dirt and see what happens. To my surprise, one of them grew a white onion, which of course, because it was a white onion, and a red onion. But what's surprising is, you can see the indent here. There were 4 or 5 little onions this size off of that one shoot, I guess you'd call it. And the reds, they're a little smaller, but there were 6 of these. So I'm going to try that again. And I love the reds, they're my favorite. So that's basically ready to go. Then we're going to put in probably 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is 100% pure. Believe it or not, we get it at Sam's Club, it's the cheapest. But it's always pretty consistent in flavor, so we continue to buy it. So now I'm going to go get the dynaglo fired up, and we'll get this cooking, and we'll be back in a few. Here we are at the dynaglo. I've got the fire going inside. I decided to use a mix of maple and oak because I already had it cut up. Actually, I forgot to mention that in addition to the ingredients that you saw with the cutting board portion, I put in 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 tablespoon of crushed chipotle pepper. So yeah, we're gonna let this cook up, stir it a few times, have a look. When it's done, we're gonna chow. So here we are with the end result, and it's a light dinner. I've been eating way too much lately, so I thought this would be kind of healthy and minor, kind of like a snack. Probably go away hungry, but that's okay. But anyway, just wanted to share this. Hope you guys are having a very good day, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.